Hello and welcome to a summary of Bailey Middle School's yearbook class. Your student will learn a tremendous amount of things by taking yearbook. It is significantly experience-based learning and will entail a lot of real-world life skills, skills that I think are going to be tremendously beneficial for them to obtain before entering high school, and that will make them a more well-rounded young adult. By taking yearbook, the staff members will become better leaders by becoming better team workers. You cannot be a good leader if you're not a good team worker. There are other things too, such as being better photographers, better editors with those photographs and with writing. They'll become better writers, extending what they may have learned in journalism class. They'll be better managers of themselves, of other people, their projects, looking ahead at what needs to be done, and by working with their peers, building relationships and building and maintaining relationships with other people, such as other students who they may not have met before, other teachers, and just holding themselves in a professional manner. Yearbook students will also become data analyzers, which is primarily because of their marketing exposure as well as public relations things that they're going to have to think about when projecting to certain people. They're going to analyze who has already purchased a yearbook, for example, the additional audience to target, how to target them, and really break down the numbers that we will be collecting throughout the school year. Of course, they'll be better collaborators and planners. Their communication skills will improve no matter whether those are formal, informal, written, or spoken. And there are so many other countless things. Of course, the purpose of the yearbook is to include as many people as possible in the book. And to really honor its purpose, which is more than just a picture book. It's also a history and a reference book, as well as public relations. It represents the school, and we want it to represent the school well. Last year, we were very honored to receive the award distinction by the North Carolina Scholastic Media Association, and I hope to achieve the same or better for this school year. So as always, if you have any questions for me, please send me an email. And I really look forward to working with your student this year. Thank you.